Now let us see what are like decimals. As we have seen, like fractions, they have same denominator. Similarly, there are like decimals also. So decimals having same number of decimal places. Now like decimals have same number of decimal places. Now what are decimal places? After the point, the place is known as the decimal places. So these are the decimal places. Now you can see over here, after the point, they are having only one number, only one place. 9.8 also one place is there, in 16.7 one place is there, and 235.8 one place is there after the decimal. बिफोर कितनी भी हो सकती है, लेकिन आफ्टर द डेसिमल प्लेसेस का मतलब होता है कि हमें पॉइंट के बाद की प्लेसेस को ही देखना है. सो दे हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस, दैट्स व्हाई they are called like decimals. Now you can see over here, there are two places over here, and there are also two places, and here also in this decimal there are two places. So these are also a pair of like decimals having the same number of places. Okay, so students, over here, unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places. So all the decimal number which have different number of decimal places, they are unlike decimals. Now you can see over here, there are two places, but here the decimal place is only one, so they are unlike. Here three places are there, here one place, and here two places are there, so they are unlike decimal. Now here one important thing is there, then we can convert unlike decimal into the like decimal just by adding the required number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part. तो अगर हमें इसको इसके अकॉर्डिंग डेसिमल प्लेसेस लानी है इस नंबर में, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, एक्सट्रीम राइट डेसिमल पार्ट कौन सा है, दिस इज द डेसिमल पार्ट, तो इसके आगे हम एक ज़ीरो लगा देंगे. नाउ it is also having two places and it is also having two places. इसके आगे एक ज़ीरो लगाने से इसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. ओके, इट विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस ओनली. 6.6 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 6/10, वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस. और अगर मैं 0.60 बोलूँ, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 60/100. So 10 cancel. 6.60 is also similar to 6/10. So its value does not get changed. अगर डेसिमल पार्ट के बाद कोई भी ज़ीरो अगर हम लगाते हैं बाद में, तो उससे हमारे डेसिमल की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है. ओके, वो सेम रहती है. So in this way we can convert the unlike decimal also into the like decimal. Suppose over here the greatest places over here is 3, so we have to convert all these decimals as like decimal. So here कितनी numbers of zeros लगेंगी, यहाँ पे 3 है तो 2 zeros I will put over here, and here I will put 1 zeros. Now all these decimal numbers will be like decimals. So अगर आप बाद में ज़ीरो असाइन करते हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती, बट आप इसको ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट राइट 12.1 एज 12.001, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 001 की वैल्यू 12.1 से अलग हो जाएगी. उसके बाद डेसिमल पार्ट के बाद आप वैल्यू लगा सकते हो, उसके पहले आप वैल्यू नहीं लगा सकते. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इफ आई वांट टू राइट द इक्विवेलेंट decimal for this 0.9, so what I can do, I can just put the zeros, because 0.9 will be 9/10, and after the decimal part I can put the zeros. 0.90 will be equivalent to this. Why? Write it as 90/100, and 90/100 is similar to 9/10. Or you can add as many zeros to make the equivalent decimals. Okay, so 0.900, so this will be written like this. Okay, यहाँ पे 4 डिजिट है डेसिमल के बाद, तो नीचे भी 4 डिजिट आएंगी. नाउ वी विल कैंसिल दीज डिजिट्स 0/0 and we are going to get 9/10. so that's why they are known as equivalent. okay, ये सारे equivalent होंगे. okay, and you can make the equivalent decimals by just adding the zeros to the extreme right side.